Good morning. It's not morning. Wait. It is morning. Okay. So I went to Ulta for one thing, and I ended up getting a bit more than that. So we're gonna try some stuff today. Let's get it out because I forgot what I got. So that's good. Makeup wipes. 2-pack is good. Alright. New eyelash curler. Bless. Something practical. I just got the E.L.F. one. It's $2. Balling on a budget, okay? Don't at me. Okay. So that's good. It's like I don't remember what I purchased. Like I was like, oh, I should film, and then I was like, oh, I don't have a personality right now, so I just decided to go shopping. This is, so I got the E.L.F. liquid matte lipstick in the shade Praline. It looks pretty, like, I thought it would be a nice fall shade. That's nice, I'll use that today. I got this. Anyway, I've never tried BH Cosmetics brushes before, so. Plus they look so pretty. Wow. These are heavy, oh my god. I need more brushes. I have so many that I just don't use. Ooh. Wow. These are pretty. Very soft. I'm gonna use these today. So there's 10. It's a mix of, looks like a mix of face, obviously face brushes and eye brushes. It is the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair 10-piece metalized brush set. And then I found out that also carries Klorane, which, news to me. I love Klorane. It'd be really embarrassing if that wasn't how you pronounced it. Anyway, so I got this Nourishing Mango Oil for dry, sun-exposed hair. Nothing sounds better than that to me. Plus it's mango. Oh, bless. That is delightful. Oh my god. I use the Bumble & Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil or something like that, and I'm running out, so I wanted to try something else. So then I bought Colourpop Yes Please palette, which I'm very excited about. I like that Ulta's bringing in, I guess Sephora's doing it too. I like that they're bringing in beauty brands that are primarily sold online and like are affordable. But anyway, because I love Colourpop, so I got the Yes Please palette. Look at these colors. Wow. Beautiful, stunning. All right, well that was a fun little haul. Wow. Am I a beauty YouTuber? I don't think so because I'm really slow. All right, I moisturized before I sat down. I'm just gonna prime my eyeballs. All right, I'm just gonna set that with the RCMA, no color powder. Let's dive into this palette, shall we? Oh, it looks like it's gonna rain. Just zoomed you in for the eye look. Okay, so I'm gonna dive in to this palette. I'm gonna use one of the BH Cosmetic brushes. It just says 5 on it, so I guess that's number. I don't know, or which brush it is. I'm going to go in. I think I'm gonna go in with Champs right there as like my crease color. Then I'm going to go in with the shade GNO and apparently the number 6 brush, and I'm going to just work that in. So I'm just gonna go in with a different Colourpop brush. doesn't say the number or anything, so whatever. I'm going to go in with Note to Self here to kind of deepen up the outer corner, bringing in the browns.
We got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name?
Alright, I'm gonna go in with the number 7 brush from that set, and I'm gonna go into French Kiss right here and kind of build up the outer corner. Alright, so I was gonna go in with one of the shimmers from that palette, but I think I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Chrome Paint in the shade Beach Bay. Beautiful, it's stunning, and I love it so much, thank you. I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna apply it with my finger, which is gonna be a challenge, but I think we can persevere.
Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history.
I'm gonna go in with just like a flat shader brush and kind of try to get it more in the inner corner. I think these are best applied with your finger, but if you need to do like a little bit of detail work, I think that's fine. But yeah, you definitely get the most pigment when you use your finger. I just kind of carved it out. I don't really want to blend it in up there. I'm gonna go back in with the brown French Kiss from the palette to kind of deepen it up even more and just make sure everything's really blended well, at least on the outer corner. I'm gonna put some liner and lashes on and I will be right back. Okay, let's do the face. So I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. Also, my house is a mess, please don't judge me. So I decided to stay in and drink wine besides the shopping trip yesterday. I've been cutting down plants that need to go into storage, things like that. So it's kind of a mess. Taking care of some succulents and getting them pretty, and just watching like little cute movies. Friday I watched Sarah Burgess is a Loser, which is adorable. Oh my god, it's so cute. Also Noah Centineo, beautiful angel of a man. Anyway, it was so good. I cried. I've been especially weepy this weekend. So I watched that, and then what else did I watch? I also watched the movie Beautiful Creatures. I was feeling kind of Halloween-y, and like from what I remembered, it wasn't like a phenomenal story, but I liked it still, from what I remember. And then I went back and watched it, and it's horrible. It's a bad movie. The one thing I like is the makeup. And like, that was like, even there is still not enough. Not enough of it. So, last night, I watched A Wrinkle in Time, which was so good. Again, teared up. But I love Chris Pine so much. I'm just putting on Bye Bye Under Eye a little bit. Yeah, I love Chris Pine. And again, makeup was phenomenal. I loved it so much. And then I watched Stardust, which again, not a great movie, but I was kind of planting and things around the house, so it was fine. We just finished Sabrina, and I need another show, so please recommend Netflix shows. We watched all of Sabrina. We've already watched like Sharp Objects and Big Little Lies on HBO. I think we haven't watched Ozark, so we need to watch Ozark. Well aware. Maybe we'll do that one next. Cause cause it's fall, we're like, ooh, spooky. Oh, I just put on Pro Glow, just to like mix in a little bit. we want to watch like some, I mean Halloween's over now, which is a real bummer, but I still want to watch like spooky shows because they're so good. Oh, you know what, we were watching American Horror Story and then we got like sucked into Sabrina, which I actually really like Sabrina, the new one. I know some people like didn't really like it, but I thought it was really good. I like that it was darker than like the original. I'm just setting that with my RCMA, no color powder. So I'm gonna go in with that one of the brushes. We'll see how this goes. I might switch to my other one. And then I'm gonna use the Becca Warm Honey powder to bronze. I've used this a little bit, but I just really want to be warm. Like, the eye look is super warm. I'm incredibly pale. Ooh, I have cheekbones, oh my god. Who knew?
My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah.
This is a very pigmented powder though, so not much is needed. Just gotta be as bronzy as possible. Then I'm gonna try the blush brush, and then I'm gonna use Dallas from Benefit as my blush. Cute. Okay, I am all about, this is like, I feel like this is a summer look for some reason because I'm just doing like the warmest possible shit. I'm gonna go in with the Ofra highlight in Rodeo Drive and just like a fan brush and just highlight. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just like tap over that. It kind of makes it look less powdery, so I like it. See? Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So I'm just gonna go do my brows off camera really quick, and then I will zoom you in to do the under eye. So I'm going to apply this, just a black liner to my lower lash line. Then going back in with the Colourpop palette, and I'm gonna go in with Champs, the one that we used first, and just kind of work that in.
Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy.
Then I'm gonna go in with the brush that we used for the orange in the crease. Then going back in with the little accent brush that we used for the brown. I'm gonna go in with Note to Self mixed with a little bit of French Kiss and also work that into the lash line. I'm gonna go in with just like a pencil brush and French Kiss, and I'm just gonna stamp this in the lash line. I'm gonna go in with a flat shader brush and full zip, just this shade right here, to highlight the brow bone. Then I'm gonna go in with Rodeo Drive as my inner corner, the highlight that we used for the face. I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lash lines and zoom you out into the lips. So I'm gonna use the E.L.F. liquid lipstick that I just got. It's in the shade Praline. It's super cute. I'm gonna line my lips with MAC Whirl. I found that this is like almost identical to the shade, so it's pretty good. Alright, and then again using the liquid lipstick in the shade Praline. I just swatched this. I like the applicator. It's kind of a bigger doe foot, but then it's got a nice point to it as well.
And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name?
Alright, and so this is the final look. But I really like the palette. It's really nice. I'm gonna keep playing around with it. Bunch of new stuff that I tried today. I love this lip color and it goes very well with MAC Whirl. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm not gonna do my hair in this video because I'm gonna film how I like get my beachy waves and stuff. And then if you guys have any suggestions or things you want to see, drop it in the comment section down below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.